Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. As you can see, today we're doing something fun. So I'm basically showing you this wig, and it's basically just like a fun wig where you go from straight to curly if you add water to it, obviously. And it's just, honestly, I had a lot of fun like just playing with this wig and just showing you everything about it. So as you can see, I have a wig cap already on my head, and the hair that I'm using in this video is from Atina Hair. So thank you to Atina Hair for sponsoring this video and for, just giving me so much things to play with right now. So let's get into this video. Like, I'm going to just basically show you how this wig goes, like uh transitioning from straight, the way it arrives. So in the box it comes with like care instruction, and this is the wig, of course, and they also have the wig cups, which I always think is actually pretty awesome when companies think of always sending you wig cups. I love that. And that little elastic band that I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do with that. Yeah. So this is what the wig looks like. It comes in a straight form, but as you saw at the beginning, like, you basically can transition it from straight to curly, and girl, it still curls up. And as you can see, the clear transparent lace is huge. I don't know why they put, well, I don't know, but like, y'all, the lace, amazing on this wig. I absolutely love this lace. It's clear, it's transparent, and literally just looks like, it literally melts. It's awesome. So I wanted to try it on. Actually, I wanted to wash the wig, but I wanted to show you guys how it comes before I wash it, because if you wash it, it obviously becomes curly. So I wanted to show you how it looks like. And I'm just trying to put it on and just see how the wig fits, because I actually want to cut the lace before washing it and everything. And just because I'm trying it on, I'm like, what the hell? Why not just go on ahead and do that? But how are you ladies doing? I hope you are doing well. I hope everything is going well in your life so far. I hope your week has been awesome. And if it hasn't, this is the weekend. Hopefully time to relax, chill, and be ready to face the next week. Hopefully the next week will be better for you. So one thing I noticed about this wig is that the ends are actually pretty dry. I thought that might change after I deep condition it and wash it and everything, but it didn't. So I ended up cutting the ends at the end of the video after playing with it for a while. So I decided to cut up the lace right now, just because I realized, not I realized, I think I mentioned in a video like before that cutting the lace after installing the wig is just literally not my thing. Like, I make such mistakes when I do that. So I've just decided to start cutting off the lace before I actually install it. And I'm not going to install the wig right now. I'm actually going to just basically show you, play with it, because like I said, I played with this wig. Well, I had time, and you all know that I have fun making videos and just playing with hair and just trying different things. So I had time, and so I went in and just basically tried different things. So you will get to see. But then I'm going to leave all the details for the hair down below if you want to check them out. It's a 20-inch, but like I said, I did end up cutting the ends, so I guess mine is slightly shorter than like a 20-inch. The lace is transparent, like I said, and it's like a 2-in-1 wig where like you can go from straight to curly as you wish, and it's absolutely great that you can do that. Like, I like a curly wig that you can straighten and then it still curls back just okay. So I appreciate that about this wig. So as you can see, the hairline of it is pretty I don't know. Like, I thought the hairline was a little bit straight, but like I said, it's better for me because I don't want to actually glue the wig on. One thing that I'm actually not doing also is like gluing wigs on. It's just not my thing. So I usually just use like the spray, the got to be glued spray. And if that doesn't work, actually it has never not worked. But one thing that I'm actually doing lately is I'm not even like using the spray on the sides of my hair. I'm just using it at like the front section, and that's basically the only place that I'm putting the spray. And I've been finding that my wigs stay, they don't move. But of course, I'm not trying to fight anybody, so there's zero chance that my wig would be moving. But this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, it's beautiful. I love it. And as you can see, like, it looks pretty straight here. So at the end, you'll see that I didn't like want to make it this straight. If you're not new to my channel, you know that I personally don't like straight hair. I like this one because it's like a kinky straight. It's not like super kinky, but it's like a kinky straight wig. And I love that when you wet it and then you straighten it again, it goes back to the kinky straight texture of it. Love, love, love that, because I am not a huge fan of like straight, like silky straight hair. It's just not my thing. Like I don't find it flattering on me, and it just feels pretty unnatural to me, at least, with my afro hair and everything. So like silky straight hair just feels super unnatural for me. So I don't like that. I like this one because it goes back to the kinky texture of it, and I love that. I think if you actually like straightened it like super, like bond straightened it would be like silky-ish smooth, but I didn't do that because, like I said, I'm not a fan of it. So I was going to wash the wig anyway, so I decided to basically just show you how it transitions from curly to straight or straight to curly. So as you can see, I just added water on one side and I wanted to go with this like little dramatic sort of thing. But my editing skills are not that great yet. So yeah, I should learn some more editing, y'all. Like it's so hard to try and balance things. I want to learn more about editing because I absolutely enjoy doing editing, but finding the time for it, whoo, child. But probably a lot of you understand wanting to do things, but life just being super busy for you to actually take the time to learn the things that you want to learn or to do what you want to be doing. But of course, when you love something, you find a way to create time for it. As you can see, the wig is curly, like just by adding water, which I think is pretty cool. And it actually came straight, like you saw, like it was straightened. And as you can see, adding water, like the curls just pop back. So here's the dramatic, there's no dramatic effect, but here's the dramatic transition. That's what I was going for. I'm going to try and create like a little dramatic thing for Instagram, and hopefully I do a better job at showing the dramatic of like of the hair, or the drama of the hair. But y'all, so anyways, so I decided to actually go in and wash this hair. Well, after this I did remove it, and then I went and I shampooed it and I deep conditioned the hair. I'm going to show you in just a moment how the whole wig looks like curly. Like I said, I really took my time. It's basically like, this is like I did this at night, and then the next day after the wig had dried, because I left the wig to dry overnight, this is what it looked like. Okay, like I had fun. Okay, I had fun doing all this and playing with this. So this is what the wig looks like. I'm just going to put it on my head again just so that you can see, and this time I'm going to install it and show you how I've been installing my wigs. Now you all know that I'm not trying to do too much with my hair. If you're not new here, that I'm basically trying to put it in protective hairstyles, so I'm not trying to do too much. And like I said, I don't use glue to put on my wigs, so I'm just going to spray the front. And actually, like I found lately that I'm even okay with not even like using any spray or glue. Just get a wig cap that is actually like the size of your head, and that would have the wig, staying snug and nice and not moving at all. And I've also found that using like the little side combs helps the wig to stay secure and nice. And that's why like the wig cap that I have under, I basically pushed it to the back a little bit so that I can put the comb. I didn't for this one just because I was using the spray. So I actually find using the spray to be quite annoying. I feel like it's sort of like out of control. Do you ladies know any product that I can use where I have control on where I apply the spray? Because this little makeup brush thing, like this is the best thing that I've come up with right now. Like basically spraying the spray on that brush and then applying the, I guess the liquid on the place that I actually want it. Do y'all ladies know any product that I can use that is not glue, but sort of like a spray-ish kind of thing that I can use that has, well, it gives me more control on where I apply the product? If you know anything, please leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll absolutely appreciate that. And hopefully if it's on Amazon, that would be even better because I live in Canada and sometimes getting things from the US can be difficult, especially with COVID now. Usually I'd ship things at the border and then go pick them up, but with COVID, we can't really cross the border right now. So your girl has to wait, and yeah, I'm ready to cross the border when the border opens. I got my vaccine already, so I'm good. or at least I'll still protect myself, but I'm good. But this is what the wig looks like. Like, your girl was feeling herself. Like, throughout this process, I think that's why I spent so much time doing it, just because I was feeling myself, really enjoying this process. So as you can see, the ends are a little bit stringy. Like, I thought like after conditioning it, it would be all good, but I didn't like how the ends were looking. So basically what I actually did is I went and I straightened the wig again, just to show you that it goes back to being straight and it looks nice and still like a kinky straight. So I started by blow drying it. I thought that would work, but it's like, no, you actually do need to use a straightener to kind of get it straight. So I did blow dry the hair here in the video just to show you how it looks like, sort of like a blowout kind of thing. By the way, the blow dryer that I'm using is a Revlon blow dryer. I'm going to leave it linked down. I think I always have it linked down below, so you should definitely check that out if you're looking for a good brush dryer. I use this on my natural hair and I absolutely love it. I've been using it for probably like the past like six or so years. I bought it for my sisters, my mom, my cousins, and yeah, I think that's the gift that I get for people when I don't know what to get them. If you're a girl, of course. But anyway, this is what the wig looks like when it's blown out. Absolutely love it. Again, you all know that I love big hair. I love hair that looks like full. So I'll probably be rocking with it like this at some point because I love this look, Is it too much? I don't think so. Well, not for me at least. If it's too much for you, then it's too much for you. But for me, I think it's pretty good. So I decided that I'm going to actually cut the ends before I, continue with everything. So that's what I did. And then after cutting off the ends, I went ahead and I straightened the hair, and this is what it looks like. So I straightened by adding like little curls into the hair just to, add some little, something to it. But this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, it straightens back to like a kinky straight texture. Absolutely love that. But this is it for the video, ladies. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and how you're doing. And yeah, well, this is it. I hope I see you ladies next week. Have a lovely, lovely weekend. Bye, ladies. Bye.